to reach climate neutrality in 2050, we must ramp up emissions reductions and remove carbon from the atmosphere to get there. Carbon farming will help us meet our climate targets. It restores carbon cycles within ecosystems, and it enables our natural environment to take up more carbon. Carbon farming also provides a new business model for land managers. It allows us to reward farmers, foresters, and other land managers for taking care of nature. In the next years, we need to invest in re-wetting drained wetlands and peatlands so that they do what they are best at, which is store massive amounts of carbon and prove a home to many species. We also need to invest in agroforestry to give trees and shrubs a place on our agricultural lands. Doing all of this will be great news for climate and biodiversity. And with our carbon farming initiative, we aim to turn it into great news for farmers' incomes as well. Carbon farming is a necessary addition to our efforts to reach climate neutrality. It allows farmers, foresters, and other land managers to become true custodians of our natural environment and shepherds of our climate.